Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I prepared pork biryani wrapped in banana leaf. So first let's check out the recipe. These are the ingredients I'll be using. Some pork, onion, fermented bamboo shoot, garlic, a piece of ginger and green chilies, and basmati rice. If you want to use, you can use sticky rice also. Machal sing si yamde singak te darkar taye oksha, garlic, morok, ginger, adugo soybum, pyas, adugo ching. Ching si koi Manipur gi ching khana pudun hen hawe do season su yai natraga basmati su yai. Any rice nang season bu yai. So thomba hause. Put little bit of oil. I'm using oil because the pork fat is less. That's why in the oil put the pork chilies. The pork will release its own fat, so I'm not using lots of oil. Close the lid and stir in between. And fry it for 3-4 minutes. So kung hapon itong 3-4 minutes fry daw siya, so kung suhaw na ito dyan ha. And I've already cooked rice. This is half cooked rice. Half cooked niko rice eh. Put as much as you like for one person. This is for one person. See rice imi mo itang itong half kro. And now the cooked pork pieces. The gravy as well. While cooking the rice, you have to season it with salt. Sak thoma anse thum half kro ko. And put the gravy as well. Gravy so yam hap to na kredi happy yo. Now wrap it up like a partial. Use banana stem to tie it. Nang style dum punbe yare. Steamer so momo sem from steamer later so any krino sa phu mo de nang steam taw so yai manung da si da stain later do mahabra ko. Now I've been steaming this for 30 minutes. 30 minutes kumba steam taw rabne. It's cooked. Yeah, look at that. Mungre, so let it cool down. Yummy. Now it's time to enjoy. Salad. And this is the same curry. I kept some like this. Smells amazing. Super. Wow. The rice is steamed, so the steamed rice is much better in taste. Wow. Tôi top dara anam rồi tập xem mình lâu mày lâu. The rice is soak up all the gravy, delicious gravy. Oksa yan sang gravy si chak tapos sang grab ni doy mahau tapos hao. Lapu menajab si haksang supaya, kau suhen bak lu haksang supaya. Korean thing se hawai dar sai ko moi sum adu moi di moi se manam si khra ai ko ni kan hele go moi du mu kan de du bo manam taste ko se sa ma ne ai ko ni se strong oi do wan moi hawai dar se toy han mani moi di moi se mo process yu yam chang ma tam han so delicious. I feel like having more, but I have to control myself. Finger licking good. Let's have some lemon. This is Chinese lemon. This is Chinese lemon hain ka wego maming te. Oi. So lots of lemons are there. Wow. Are the small lemons. Some traffic pa niyo siya. Mulle di thume. Adu hindi nga di yam sila. Very easy to peel. Sumlemat. Wow. Still sour. I need a little bit of salt. Then munda ba sila. Maru di sour. Seeds are very big. Wow. You feel like having some fruits after having four. So this is the perfect fruit, sour. Yeah. This was sweet. This is some orange cream marakte niya. This was sweet. Pan mi dipik pa do mahay dipsan pan reso siya. Disi why the lotion deregi mayam. Ana yeng like na haksang pana laibira mo. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.